यहाँ पर नॉर्थ ईस्ट पावर कॉन्क्लेव किया है। इसमें सारे नॉर्थ ईस्ट स्टेट के पावर सेक्टर, इंडस्ट्री सेक्टर के एक्सपर्ट यहाँ सम्मिलित हुए हैं। The North East has a lot of potential. As you know, there is a 8% growth taking place, and power sector is also expected to grow at the rate of 7 to 8%. North East has a very, very huge hydro potential. More than 58,000 megawatt of hydro potential is there. One state itself have potential about 50,000 megawatt, and we want to encourage our members and industry to come and invest in the Northeast state because it is a gateway for the energy transition. It is a gateway for the growth. We as industry feel that over next 10 years, about 60 to 70,000 crore investment potential is the Northeast. Number of good initiatives is taken. For example, Assam has taken a lead into the smart metering program under the RDSS. Lot of investment is being done by the central PSUs in the transmission and sub-transmission sector. The central government has a special focus on Northeast now. Honorable Power Minister Shri Manohar Lal ji first came to Northeast only, and there is a special focus on the Ministry of Power. And we at IMA are also committed to have a regular dialogue with all utilities and regulators of the Northeast for growth of the power sector in the Northeast.
Do you have any pilot project for in Assam?
I think more than pilot, is a full rollout is taking place. Now 50% smart meters have been done in Assam, and Assam is taking lead in the country to show the other states. And all other states also started work. We were lucky that two honorable ministers from Mizoram and Nagaland were here, and they also shared their vision. And we as an industry have committed that will be part to their growth story.
Create a platform for the 7 northeastern states to introduce themselves to the departments of power especially, and to the business community of the 7-8 states of our region northeast. They are the premier and apex manufacturing association of this country. So we're glad that today they have organized this conclave where all our people have come together from different walks of life to interact and receive their developmental programs.
In the remote area, we have not much of who is the manufacturing and who is the industrialist. So today, my eye is open for the industrialists and the manufacturers. So this is a very fruitful program from my side. I think it is very good, impressive from you also. Thank you. Yeah.